it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today is wash day and here's how my hair currently looks before I've washed it. I've had my hair in a large perm rod out for about a week now. So for wash day, I will be using the new green collection from Curls, and I'll start off using the Kelp Curl Cleanser, and I will follow it with the green tea hair rinse. Next, I'll apply the Kelp and Cucumber Hair Mask, and it comes with this wooden spoon, so you can scoop the mask out without putting your fingers in it because it is really thick, and that is a great idea. Lastly, I will apply the Bamboo Protein Treatment before I leave the shower. I'll be using these 4 products in this exact same order for my hair for this wash day, so if you'd like to see, stay tuned. As always, I'm going to saturate my hair with warm water, and what this is going to do is allow my hair to be more receptive to the products that I'm going to put on it. It's really important that your products are working well in your hair and not just sitting on top of it. You really want the products to penetrate into the hair strands because it could be more effective that way. Also, saturating my hair with warm water is essentially melting away any tangles that I may have. I just sectioned my hair into quadrants. You know that I always do this. It just makes the whole process a lot more effective for me. So I will be starting with the Kelp Curl Cleanser, and this is a vitamin-infused vegan shampoo for healthy hair and scalp, and that's really good. I love the fact that it has vitamins for the hair. I'm applying a good amount of the cleanser into the palms of my hands and then directly to my scalp and down the length of my hair. I'm really focusing this cleanser on my scalp. I want to make sure that my scalp is very clean. A clean scalp is a healthy scalp. You don't want any product buildup or any toxins, pollutions on your scalp because that can clog it or just cause some irritation. So it's best to keep your scalp very clean. And I'm working the cleanser down the length of my hair because it's packed with a lot of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. So speaking of nutrients, let me tell you about the healthy facts that this cleanser does provide. So it does have Kelp, which is a natural source of vitamins A, B1, B2, C, D, and E. And it also has minerals like zinc, iodine, magnesium, iron, potassium, copper, and calcium. Also, it's going to help to keep your hair and scalp very healthy because the minerals found in kelp, particularly iodine, promote healthy growth in scalp and hair. Also, it has healing and hydrating properties. It's really good for me to have a hydrated, healthy hair and scalp. I don't want my hair or scalp to be dry. Also, it's going to help to promote hair growth because it has Kelp in it, which helps to stimulate new hair growth by encouraging the process of cell growth and division. You know that I'm trying to get to waist length hair, so any products that are going to help me to have healthy growth, healthy scalp, healthy hair, overall, I'm going to use it. After I've applied the cleanser on my scalp and down the length of my hair, I'm going to rinse it out all in one. So I've been doing this for a while and it has really helped me to make sure that all of my hair gets the TLC that it needs. After I've rinsed the cleanser out completely, I'm going to apply the green tea hair rinse, and this is going to help restore pH, balance porosity, and add sheen to the hair. I'm moving very quickly because you're only supposed to have this in your hair for a short amount of time before you rinse it with cool water. And this also is very beneficial to do to the hair because it has antioxidants and vitamins. So it's full of antioxidants and caffeine that's going to help stimulate the hair follicles and encourage growth. Many of you know that I want my hair to be long, but health over length. The green tea hair rinse serves as a natural curl moisturizer because it has green tea, which has great tonic and astringent qualities that help to seal in moisture and add shine and luster to hair. Also, it serves as a strengthener and prevents split ends because it has a good source of phenethanol, which strengthens hair, and my hair feels really good after I've rinsed this hair rinse out. Now it's time to apply my hair mask, and I will be using the Kelp and Cucumber Hair Mask, and it's really thick as I've already mentioned, and my hair really likes thick products because my hair is dense. So any products that are really thick, especially masks, really do my hair justice. This mask is vitamin infused and growth enhancing, which is really important for me in my natural hair journey because I really want my hair to thrive. So as I've already mentioned, I want to use products that are going to help with my journey, and I am applying just a little water as I'm finger detangling my hair because I really find that doing that allows the products to really melt into my hair as they should. So if you have to apply just a little bit more water so that you have more slip, then do that. This really helps me when I'm applying conditioners and deep conditioners in my hair because I really want them to penetrate and my hair to be really receptive to these products. So I do apply products when my hair is really wet. It works so much better for me that way. So let me tell you about the benefits that this mask has to offer. Because it has cucumber juice, it's going to help with silky and shiny hair. It's also going to help boost hair's growth because of the cucumber juice, which is really good for you and your hair. It contains silicone and sulfur, which collectively stop hair fall and promote healthy hair. It's also vitamin enriched because it has rich absorbic acid, vitamin C, and caffeine acid, fiber, along with other minerals like silica, potassium, and magnesium, which are all great for the hair and your overall healthy hair journey. I'm also using a wide tooth comb just to make sure that I'm combing in the mask so it really penetrates into my hair. And to also help with this mask treatment, I'm going to use a plastic cap and put it over my hair. I'm going to leave this cap on for 15 minutes while I take my shower. After the 15 minutes, my hair not only looks good, but it also feels good. It's really strong, very manageable, and soft. And I'm going to rinse the mask out with cool water. After rinsing the mask out, my hair still feels really good. Now I'm going to apply the bamboo protein treatment, which is going to help strengthen and thicken my hair naturally because it has that bamboo extract in it. And bamboo extract is the richest source of silica, containing 70% organic silica, which is 10 times more potent for a prominent effect on strengthening hair. This is really good because I want my hairs to be really healthy, and making sure that my hair is nice and strong is a part of it. The bamboo protein treatment is going to naturally purify and clear your scalp and hair of any pollutants, dead skin cells, and product buildup. This is really important because you want to have a clean scalp and clean hair. A clean scalp is a healthy scalp. I cannot stress it enough. Now that I'm out the shower, I'm ready to style my hair. I still have the bamboo protein treatment in my hair, and all I have to do is apply my styler. But before I do, I'm just going to section my hair and part it accordingly to the style that I have in mind. I wanted to do flat twist in the front and then have it twist out in the back, so I'm just parting my hair half and half. The back half is going to be for the twist. I'm just going to do single twist, and the front is going to be for a flat twist out, and my hair feels so soft, and you can see the curls clumping together. For my styler, I'm going to use the Avocado hair mousse, and this is going to help to moisturize the hair. Also, it's vitamin packed and growth enhancing. This has avocado in it, and many of us already know avocado is so great for our hair because it's rich in fatty acids, which is going to help the overall health of our hair. Starting in the back, I made a row for the twist, and then I'm making columns. So I pumped about 3 pumps of the mousse per section for the twist, and this mousse by far is my favorite product from the collection because I love the way it feels on its own. It's like a hybrid between an oil and a mousse with no separation. There's no film. This felt really good in my hair, and as I was combing it through with my favorite rat tail comb, it just glided through. My hair felt so soft. I just knew after applying this mousse that my style was going to be a success. After applying 3 pumps of the mousse to this section, I am going to smooth it in with the rat tail comb. This is going to help to ensure that there's no tangles anywhere and that all of my hair is in the same direction and it's nice and smooth. This is going to be a very important key for a successful twist out. And also note that I am twisting my hair very snug. I want to make sure that the twist itself is not loose. And as I get to the end of my hair, I'm going to twirl it around my finger just to encourage the curl. If the ends of your hair aren't staying on its own and the twist starts coming out, just use a small perm rod and then wrap the ends of your hair around the perm rod a couple times, so by the time your hair dries and you take the perm rod out, you will have that curled look. The ends of your hair won't be straight and you'll still have a really nice twist out. And here's how my hair looks after I've completed 3 twists. I'm not twisting them really small or really big, just medium size. And I wanted to show you how well this mousse is working in my hair. As I've already mentioned, this is my favorite product from this line. My curls are just shining, they look so healthy, and I didn't even use an oil. Now that the back section is complete with the 2-strand twist, I'm going to work in the front of my hair, and you already know I will be doing flat twist. I just want to make a diagonal part so the sections look like isosceles triangles. Once I'm satisfied with the part, I'm just going to clip the rest of the hair out of the way and pump about 4 pumps of this mousse into this section. I really want to make sure that all of my hair gets TLC from this mousse. This mousse is so good. It feels amazing in my hair. So I'm just going to smooth my hair with this rat tail comb just to make sure that there's no tangles and my hair is nice and smooth. This is going to be very key when having a successful style. You want to make sure that your hair is tangle free and it is nice and smooth. So for the flat twist, I'm just going to take a small section of hair in the front, divide it into 2, and I'm going to start to twist my hair like a regular 2-strand twist, and then I'm just going to add more hair as I go along. And once there is no more hair to grab, I'm just going to secure the flat twist with 3 rubber bands. Yes, I said 3 because sometimes I find with mousse and with products, especially since my hair is wet, 1 may break, 2 may break, but it still has the support from the other rubber bands that the whole flat twist is not going to unravel. I'm going to comb the remaining hair just to make sure that it's smooth, tangle free, and then I'm going to do a 2-strand twist on it and continue this process in the front of my hair. And here's how half of my hair looks in the front. Fast forward to all of my hair is now completely finished. Flat twist in the front and 2-strand twist in the back. Now I'm ready for bed and I can let my hair air dry. Many of you ask me, do I let my hair air dry or do I sit under the dryer? And I always air dry my hair. I don't use direct heat on my hair at all. To preserve my hair while I sleep, I'm just going to tie a cotton scarf on my hair, nothing too special. And then for the ends of my hair, I'm going to put a silk bonnet on and I'm ready for bed. Now the next morning, I'm taking the bonnet off and also the scarf. My hair is a little dented, but that is fine. I'm going to fluff my hair out and everything is going to be copacetic. As many of you know, I like to start to unravel my hair and to style my hair from the back to the front. I'm just going to unravel the twist, and as you can see, look at this definition. I am super happy. I told you this in mousse was good. It not only felt good, but look at this outcome. My hair feels really nice. It's super defined and it's soft. I was looking in the mirror like, look at this definition. This style is going to be on point. For more volume, I'm just going to separate each curl about 3 to 4 times. So all I'm doing is pulling the curl very gently. I don't want to cause any unnecessary frizz, and where my hair naturally separates, I'm going to separate it right there. So it's a really easy process for some added volume. And once I've complete this all over the back of my hair, I'm going to give myself some more volume with my wide tooth comb. I'm just picking my hair at the roots. I'm not combing all the way through because I don't want to mess the curl up, and I just love the way that this style came out. It's just really fun, really cute, and I love this volume and definition that I got. And if you like this style too, please give me a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thank you to Curls for partnering with me to make this video possible. Bye!